Today marks a significant milestone in Gqeberha's journey towards water sustainability. The SAB AB InBev Ibhayi Brewery, in partnership with Waterleau, the Flemish Government and UNIDO, proudly unveils its state-of-the-art ultra-filtration recovery plant. This innovative facility embodies the principles of a circular economy, where every drop of water is transformed into a resource for energy, nutrients, and brewery operations.
My name is Gqeberha. I'm the new CEO of Waterleau, and I'm very excited to be here at this inauguration of this facility. When we think about sustainability, we think about circular economy. We think about being more intelligent with the use of all the resources we have. And here is a perfect example of how we're doing it.
The innovative system at Ibhayi Brewery integrates multiple stages of resource recovery, starting with wastewater treatment for biogas and nutrient extraction. These nutrients support bio-crop production in a 2,000 square metre wetland system, creating fresh produce and livelihoods. The ultra-filtration recovery plant provided by Waterleau then completes the cycle, reclaiming water for brewery operations.
First step, we get the production of a biogas from this water effluents. And this biogas is then used back in the brewery, so to reduce the carbon emissions. So that's the first thing we're doing. Then the second thing we're doing, and I think it's a first innovation in the world about that, is basically to take the water with the nutrients and to grow crops on it. And so by doing that, we're doing two things at the same time. We get the nutrients out of the water, so then it can be reused, and we grow crops at the same time. And these crops are going to be sold in shops.
So water recovery is an important component for Ibhayi Brewery. One of the goals that they have is to minimize the amount of water consumption per hectoliter of beer that is made. This plant contributes to that. It lowers the water consumption requirement by 0.25 hectoliters. So what we have is a ultrafiltration plant that essentially treats this wastewater so that it can be sent back to the factory for use for cleaning or for boiler water or things like that. So as you can see, this is a containerized unit, which means you can plug and play it anywhere. It's turnkey, which means you can start it by the press of a button and have it run it by itself without any daily operational assistance required.
This unit that we are seeing behind me, it's going to be operated by Waterloo operators for monitoring for day and night. However, we do have a technology which we call Smart Lab. It has the real-time data. You can see it on your phone, you can see it at home, you can access it anywhere you are. We've got that technology. It's going to also be used to monitor the system to make sure that it runs and operates as it's supposed to be all the time.
The ultrafiltration plant plays a pivotal role in reducing the brewery's water footprint and supporting operations. Together with the wetlands and bio-crop production, the system showcases how resource recovery can address water scarcity, foster economic growth, and sustain livelihoods.
I'm very pleased to be part of this day where we are looking at the UF plant from Waterloo that's actually assisting our plant in reducing our water usage. To put it in perspective, the Waterloo UF project gives us back 440 households of water back per month. That's the amount of water savings you get back from this project, which is significant, especially in the Eastern Cape.
While the UF plant enables water recovery, the entire system, including biogas recovery, nutrient reuse, and bio-crop cultivation, ensures that no resource is wasted.
And the good thing about that is we're creating jobs as well, because to make the crops and to set the production, it's 9 jobs which are given to people.
A project of this scale is only possible through collaboration. Waterloo provided the ultrafiltration plant, co-financed the project, and partnered with the Flemish Government and UNIDO to bring this vision to life.
So Waterleau co-financed the unit. We provided 35% of the funding of the unit, and then the Flemish Government through Unido provided the other 65% to make this happen. And today the unit is in operation, and that's around 400 households in water savings for the greater Nelson Mandela base.
On behalf of the Government of Flanders, I can say that we are really proud to support this project. It's about the green industrial transition. It's about a just energy transition. This is a solution, a technological solution that combines knowledge, expertise through technological collaboration, solving global problems.
As the ultra-filtration recovery plant begins its journey, it highlights the power of innovation and partnership in addressing global water challenges. By recovering energy, reusing water, and supporting agriculture, this project demonstrates the transformative power of collaboration. Together, we're building a future where resources sustain both life and livelihoods.